Hi, this is Raj, an English language trainer. English for beginners, video 5 Senses Jnanendriyalu. Let's practice speaking English. 5 senses. Eyes. My eyes. I see. I see. I can see with my eyes. I see a ghost. Nose. My nose. I smell. I smell. I smell with my nose. This sock smells very bad. Tongue. My tongue. I taste. I taste. I can taste with my tongue. Biryani tastes so good. Ears. My ears. I hear. I hear. I can hear with my ears. I hear the noise. Hand. My hand. I touch. I touch. I can touch with my hand. I touch the water. Sentences on pronoun I. I see with my eyes. I smell with my nose. I taste with my tongue. I hear with my ears. I touch with my hands. Sentences on pronoun he. He sees with his eyes. He smells with his nose. He tastes with his tongue. He hears with his ears. He touches with his hands. Good job. See you soon in the next class.